Alright, students, now let's try the challenging problem. So what the question says is that each person is telling one truth and one lie. So let's look at Alan first. It could be that Alan is telling a truth here and a lie here, right? Or it could also be that he's telling a lie here, which is false, and this is true. Okay, let's try this. Let's go with this scenario first. If this is false and that is true, then this should also be false because these are the same statements, right? Then this must be true. Okay, let's continue. It was Elaine. Now, if you know that this is false, that means this must have been true and this must be false. But now we have a problem, don't we? Do you notice that now it was Elaine and it was Ben? That means we have two culprits. I don't think so. I think there should only be one culprit. So I don't think this will work. Let's try it the other way around. Okay, I'm going to erase all of this. So instead of saying that it is false and it is true, let's start with true and false. So if this is true and this is false, then this must be true, this must be false. Because there must always be one truth and one false, and one lie, right? If it wasn't Elaine, then this must be false, this must be true. Then it was Ben. So this is false because it is the same statement here. So this must be false. Then this must be true. And this, it was Dave, it wasn't Alan. It wasn't Alan. Same statement here, so this must have been true and this must be false. So if you observe all the statements, it wasn't, you see, it wasn't Elaine, it was Ben, this is false, so it couldn't be Ben. It wasn't Chris, this is false, so most likely it's Chris, right? It wasn't Elaine. Yeah, it's true. It was Elaine, this is false, so it's not Elaine. It wasn't Alan, this is true, so it was Chris. It was Ben, this is false. It was Dave, this is false. It wasn't Alan, that's true. So after studying all the statements, we realize that the only possible answer is Chris. That means Chris is the culprit.